Hello everybody, and welcome to my video tutorial of my dance series of how to hit the Harlem Shake. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
Do the Harlem Shake.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your continued support, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.
If you're interested in picking up girls, try hanging out in places where you're likely to meet people who share your interests. For example, you might meet girls at the bookstore, the mall, or the gym. If you see a girl you're interested in, make sure to approach her when she's relaxed and in a casual setting. She'll be a lot less likely to appreciate your attention if she's working, stressed, or busy. Look for an excuse to strike up a conversation, so it's not obvious right away that you're hitting on her. Otherwise, she might feel uncomfortable. For example, you could ask her for directions or comment on something interesting that's going on around you. If she seems interested in chatting, try dropping a sincere compliment. For instance, tell her how much you like her outfit.
You look
or
great in your
comment on
outfit.
What a great smile she has.
You have a great
You
smile.
can also try a little good-natured teasing, which can be a fun way to flirt. For example, if you like different sports teams, get some playful banter going about whose team is better. Just make sure it doesn't come off as insulting or rude.
I hate your
If the
team.
conversation is going well, look for an excuse to make an exit before you wear out your welcome. Say something like, "It's been awesome meeting you.
It's been awesome meeting you, but I better get back to my friends over there."
This can also be a good moment to ask for her number. Or
Can I have your number?
If you're wondering how to make yourself more attractive to girls, here are a few pointers to keep in mind. First of all, try to act confident, even if you're not really feeling it. Smile, stand up straight, and use relaxed, approachable body language. Also remember to be kind, polite, and respectful to her, and to other people around you. It's okay to talk yourself up a little when you're chatting with her, but don't forget to ask her questions about herself, too. She'll enjoy talking to you a lot more if you show a genuine interest in her and the things she cares about. If it seems like things are going well and you're ready to make a move, take it slow. For example, be careful about going in for a kiss if you're not sure she'll be into it. Start with something subtler like touching her arm while you're talking, or telling her how beautiful she looks.
You're
Pay close
beautiful.
attention to how she reacts, and always back off if she seems uncomfortable with anything you're doing.
Most men are too nervous to approach a girl, so here are 8 tricks to attract any woman with just your confidence. In other words, you'll have girls coming to you. Starting with number 1, look into her left eye to make her fall in love with you. Everyone knows eye contact is important to attract someone. The problem is, most think you just have to hold eye contact, or just not look away or not look down. And sure, this is a good start, but to make her fall in love, you want to focus your gaze into her left eye. According to neuroscientists, parents often cradle their babies on their left arm, allowing their right arm to be free to do everyday tasks. This leads with the parent's right eye, making more eye contact with the baby's left eye, resulting in an increased production of love hormones in the amygdala gland in your brain, such as oxytocin. Every time this hormone is released, the person will experience increased trust, sexual arousal, and relationship building. So, if you're talking to her, hold eye contact to look confident, and then focus on her left eye for a good portion of the conversation. to increase the love hormone in her brain. Look, at this point, I not only made you look more confident, I just made this girl fall in love with you with a simple trick. But I'm gonna make this video even better. I'm gonna show you 7 more confidence tricks just like this to attract women. The first 4 is to get the date. The next 3 will be to use while you're at the date. And the last one, being the most powerful one on the list, that will make her obsessed with you. Number 2, change the deodorant you're wearing. I want you to change the deodorant.
I don't wear deodorant.